In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate through your Google Site settings to optimize its navigation features. Whether you're setting up a new site or updating an existing one, ensuring seamless navigation can greatly enhance the user experience. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Sites. Once you're there, log into your Google account if you haven't already, and locate the site you'd like to work on. Your Google Sites dashboard is where all your sites are organized, making it effortless to manage them. So select the one you want to customize. Now let's focus on accessing and adjusting the settings to improve site navigation. Once you've selected your site, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. This is your gateway to customizing many aspects of your site. Click on the Settings icon, which will open a menu with an array of options. Within this settings menu, direct your attention to the navigation section. This area specifically allows you to configure how users interact with your site's content. Under the navigation category, you'll find various modes. We're interested in changing this to side, so make sure to select this option. Switching to a side navigation enhances the way users can explore your site, particularly for those on desktops and larger screens. It creates a comprehensive panel on the side of the screen, allowing for more space for content and a cleaner look. And there you have it. By setting the navigation to side, you've now optimized the layout structure for enhanced usability. Your visitors will find it much easier to maneuver through the sections of your site without the clutter of top navigation bars that might otherwise crowd the space. Now that you're done with these adjustments, you can click anywhere outside the settings menu to close it, or simply find an option to save and publish your changes to make them live. Remember, the magic often lies in the details, so these small adjustments can significantly impact how your audience perceives and interacts with your site. If you've been following along, your Google site should now feature an improved navigation system, one that not only looks modern, but is also functional and intuitive for users. Keep in mind that these settings can be adjusted at any time, so feel free to revisit and tweak them as needed. That's the beauty of Google Sites. Flexibility and ease of use all wrapped up in one handy tool. Well, that's all for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in making your Google Sites more user-friendly and visually appealing. See you next time.